Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices, charge them, join a reliable Wi-Fi network, and unlock the Samsung. Open Samsung Smart Switch now and choose Wireless Transfer. On the iPhone, trust the device when prompted and sign into your Apple ID if needed. This ensures contacts and calendars map correctly. Once done, confirm which data categories you want to move: contacts, photos, messages, apps, because selective syncing avoids exceeding iPhone storage and speeds up the transfer. Now execute the transfer step by step. On Samsung, tap Send Data and choose Wireless. On iPhone, use Move to iOS or accept the incoming connection and enter the displayed code. This pairing establishes an encrypted link so your info moves securely. Keep both screens awake and avoid background apps that might kill the process. Once paired, select folders and start moving. Watch the progress indicator. If you have many photos or videos, expect extended time. Patience prevents corruption and ensures complete syncing. Finish by verifying everything. Open contacts, photos, and messages to confirm accuracy, and reauthorize any email or social accounts on the iPhone so sync resumes. If something's missing, check cloud folders like Google Photos or Samsung Cloud and manually download items. Sometimes messages need third-party helpers. If the transfer stalls, reboot both devices and retry, or switch to a wired smart switch method for stability. One key tip: always keep Wi-Fi active and avoid sleep mode during retries to prevent partial transfers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.